Hello folks, a few days ago it was revealed that Samsung will announce the Galaxy S25 series on January 22nd. Now that we are less than a month away from that launch event, a new report claims that all phones in the lineup will exclusively use a Snapdragon chip. This should make Galaxy fans very happy. According to a report from ET News, all phones in the Galaxy S25 lineup, Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra will come equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. Earlier, it was rumored that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will use the Snapdragon chip, while the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus will feature the Exynos 2500 chip. Some reports claim that Samsung is forced to use Snapdragon chips as the yield rate of the Exynos 2500 chip wasn't good enough. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip was unveiled in October 2024. It is a 3nm chip fabricated by TSMC and features Qualcomm's custom Orion CPU cores, which are as fast as Apple's A18 Pro chip used in the iPhone 16 Pro series. Its multi-core performance has surpassed that of Apple's flagship chip. The Snapdragon 8 Elite's Adreno GPU can run even the most demanding gaming titles at a 60 FPS frame rate with the highest graphics settings. The report also claims that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature curved corners. Its predecessors used sharp corners since the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 is said to feature a 6.16-inch screen, while the Galaxy S25 Plus will reportedly have a 6.66-inch screen. The Galaxy S25 Ultra could have a 6.86-inch screen. Apparently, the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus have a 50-megapixel primary rear camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra reportedly features a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, 5x optical zoom. All three phones are said to feature a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The ET News report claims that the Galaxy S25 has a 4000 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging. The Galaxy S25 Plus and the Galaxy S25 Ultra are said to feature 4900 and 5000 mAh batteries respectively with 45 watts fast charging. Anyway guys, I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.